Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a very nice pickle recipe. You can call it a pickle also, or maybe you can call it a vegetable also. It's like a quick sabji, but it tastes very nice. It's tangy, it's spicy, and it enhances the flavor of our food, especially with our dal chawal or whatever we eat. So I'm going to make it. It's my mother's recipe, and it's traditionally made. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients now. These are the chilies which I have cut. I have de-seeded them. These are anyway very bland. They are not spicy at all. You can take the choice of your chilies. Maybe if you want spicy ones. These are 3 to 4 raw mangoes which I have grated, taken out the seed of it. Raw mangoes curry. These are gondas, or these are called leswa. These are available in all Indian grocery stores. See, it has a seed inside. I'm going to boil these and take out the seed because we need the pulp and the skin. This is salt, jeera. This is achar masala. Ready achar masala I have 1 spoon. This is saunf, coarsely grounded. Methi seeds, turmeric, coriander powder, amchur, hing, asafoetida, oil and Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm using this because it gives a very good color and it is not very spicy. So let's start making it. I have kept this water for boiling already. I'm going to add little bit of salt and turmeric, pinch of turmeric to it, and it's already boiling. I have just kept it. I'm going to put all these gondas or leswas inside this water and let it boil for until they get soft, and then we are going to take out the seeds. It's been 5-6 minutes now. See, these have turned soft. I'll show you. See, they are completely soft now. I'm going to drain out the water of these gondas or leswas, and then I'm going to take out the seed. See, I've taken out the seeds of these gondas. See how they look like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these chilies and these raw mangoes together and add the spices to it. This is haldi, salt, this coarse saunf, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, this achar masala, jeera, and this red chili powder. This is not very spicy. It's going to give it a very good color. 1 spoon. We are going to leave this, mix this well first, give it a good mix and leave it for 15 minutes so that all the masalas and everything is mixed and marinated together very properly. Let's give it a good mix. Wow, they look amazing. See the color. My mouth is already watering. It's a very, very nice recipe. Covered it and leave it for 15 minutes. Then I'll start making this pickle or sabji. It's been 15 minutes now. So it has marinated very, very properly. See the color, everything is mixed. Now it's time to make the sabji or pickle. It's not going to take us more than 5 to 7 more minutes. I'm going to put some oil. We need some little bit more oil because then it lasts for around 8 to 10 days in the fridge. Yeah, let the oil heat up. These are fenugreek seeds or methi, around half a teaspoon. Let's let it crackle first, because that achar masala also has fenugreek seeds in it. So I'm just putting a little bit more, and this is the wonderful hing, which is going to give it a very, very nice flavor. just going to put this, all this together inside this, and see the wonderful color it has got. It's because of this Kashmiri red chili powder. And all turmeric and everything, all the masalas are very, very nice. It smells excellent. Now what we have to do is, I have to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on this medium high flame. Just for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't have to cover this first. I'll just keep roasting it for around 3 minutes. See, it's been 2 to 3 minutes now. I have roasted on the medium slow flame. I was continuously stirring it. Wow, I don't have just words to say anything for this. It looks amazing. It will also taste very, very nice. You don't need any sabji or anything. I think just with roti or maybe parantha you can have with plain dal chawal. Just enjoy it. Try making it definitely. And it will last around for 8 to 10 days in the fridge. It's ready now. I'm going to switch off the flame quickly and serve it. We have served this pickle or sabji, whatever you want to call it. How amazing it's looking. It has a bit more of oil, but a pickle always has. So sometimes it's okay to eat. It's looking wonderful. Smells awesome. Just try to make it and do comment. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Nice, lovely recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.